Welcome to Icron's demo of the Extremelink 3500 KVM or Keyboard Video and Mouse Extender, giving you extension beyond the desktop. First, connect a DVI cable to your host PC. Then, connect a USB cable. Connect power to your local extender. Connect a Cat5 cable. Connect a USB cable from your host PC and a DVI cable from your host PC. Connect a Cat5 cable from the local extender to your remote extender. It can be a massive 500 meters or 1,640 feet. Connect power to your remote extender. Connect the Cat5 cable you are using. Connect speakers for audio at your remote location. And finally, connect a DVI cable for your monitor. At your remote location, connect the keyboard you plan on using. Connect your mouse, and even connect a web camera. Here's a demo of the entire system. The video quality is excellent. Even on close evaluation, no video artifacts are seen. You can play other videos, watch the video on your webcam, write Word documents or presentation. A video game utilizing the mouse is an excellent way to judge the latency of the system, which is less than 60 milliseconds. Thank you for joining us today for the Extremelink 3500 KVM or Keyboard Video and Mouse Extender, giving you extension beyond the desktop.